said you two warm Africa Cup and Saturday World Cup in Africa Cup. You ponko fitana metna so ni bi. White horse. Na misa ponko na wo. Na misa enkofo bi ba ponko no. Na misa ponko de na kiki nkofo no. Looked at a team of friend Black Stars team. Na obo ben ponko na ponko de na power ma kiki.
Fire Oja, how far Ghana Blasters ya qualify ya ko World Cup. Eti kona kwa kachire Onyankopon no. Kona kwa kachire ponko na wo so hu se wo pie piankofo ogu ne se ambem kachire Onyankopon ne se se mu wura sunsun wiase wa onka nyansa semfo nkyere mo onka no.
It's all about doom for who Ghana, who ya Ghana ni wuti se Kube. So for we are no sunshine come say bibi amema ye ko twaliti na e bi yase twaliti no. Okay, bo we are wa shankom ya mem ni pase woni adwama do kuro moti e kom se kom sha nyame tie. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be able to check a Sienna Emma. Yesterday was a happy day for Ghanaians. 5th time Ghana has qualified for the World Cup. Hooray! We know you need yourself. Now, so and every video be able to hear not say we are saying, and for we will share it. Ghana so for be fire jails at the end, and come share true, say yeah. Where shall no person get born about Turkey? Because in commission share yes a bieni. Yet when they go to your fire jails and 1 year jails and 1 year jail, commission pass and commission share bra. You buy your Becassa.
25. Ghana for some more Red Cup.
And yes, I'm going for
Black Stars.
Welcome, Black Stars.
Said you two warm Africa Cup and Saturday World Cup in
Africa Cup.
You ponko fitana metna so ni bi.
White horse.
Na misa ponko na wo.
I saw that the horse had given
the enkofo bi ba ponko no.
The people were coming closer to the horse.
Ponko de na kiki nkofo no.
He kicked the people off.
No muni na tete ko hwe
All of them fell off.
Na me hu ye.
I looked at and saw
a team of friend Black Stars.
So it was a team called Black Stars.
Na obo ben ponko na ponko de na power ma kiki. He said general this is say ya na be ya wo mo.
This is what's going to happen.
Our World Cup. Now, a better bufu class in Africa Cup
terrible,
and people will start insulting them. That's what be any Black Star.
No hope.
World Cup, I must say that money. We did the prophets, they didn't recall.
Namine Chiawoka. We, Uncle Babe for Bruno, Eddie Arion Coco. Uncle Babe Jas idea reso, Eddie Bunny Parfaso. Oh, Yame catch them, some catch them. Ghana for Mumbu, a decent, a D4 Kasa. Fire Oja, how far Ghana Blasters ya qualify ya ko World Cup. Eti kona kwa kachire Onyankopon no. Kona kwa kachire pon kona wo so hu se wo pie piankofo ogu ne se ambem. Kachire Onyankopon ne se se mu wura sunsun wiase wa onka nyansa semfo nkyere mo. Onka no.
Hey! Mo wiase. Just say me hwe Ghana so for bi kura na meti ase. It's all about doom for who Ghana, who ya Ghana ni wuti se Kube. So for we are no sunshine come say bibi amema ye ko twaliti na e bi yase twaliti no. Mukai, bo we are wa shankom ya mem ni pase woni adwama do kuro moti e kom se kom sha nyame tie. When I saw God no. When I saw God and God told me kwasi asam sa wo hweda what hweda we asori na wo yiri ko bia se wo jaha wo yire no God wo yiri nyansa bia ni chirim ukuru ko bia se wo jaha ukuru God ukuru onim nyansa because in komse bia wo ba sha no ni nyam. Now so let's come back to the real thing. Yesterday Kudus passe Semenuaje ni abo Jordan no the abo keeper no so the obo abejama sorry ni ewie nyina Ghana officially ya qualify ye go team bra
big FIFA for the post Ghana says here say of course Black Stars ya qualify the FIFA for so my FIFA for acknowledge say 2006 we qualified 2010 2014 2022 2030 2026 say ya san so aba enti nyamiantom ye ko kakra ye ba me rank give ni mu na ya bonkomo na ya hwade bi kakra ene boys no ayade ye pa omu se esese e mo mabo pa but begin and then results ni Chad first game Central African Republic Equatorial 3-1 yenti we born in Germany say mfa so bi eli so we mo omu fa hwe go yi Inti Ghana yes Comoros by a goal to 0.
Yeah.
Mali asha Madagascar 4-1.
Yeah.
Now what it means our table no suni. Ghana and a lady charge 25 points. Madagascar 19 points. Mali 18 points. Comoros 15 points. Central African Republic 8. Chad 1. Between Ghana and Madagascar or Tosumi, you know, 6 points.
Yeah.
Any Edimamo. Maybe I some betting Komoka Krawa Hansen Iraq given, but general assessments. Your real group Ususu say in a bay.
Koku
After the African nations are yet to me and Kubino, Ghanaians were disappointed. Menamie, critic of Otoado formation. Bedrock formation of boy any chance Otoado can be brave. Only Comoros and Bobo. Now Bob back 5 defenders. Comoros only Bobo Krum. Now Bob back 5. Ghana a baffle. And yet we are qualified. 5th Ghana. Now you are the FIFA president. What Bob Ghana do? And when I'm a proud Ghana, you could see no so.
Congratulations to the Black Stars on reaching the FIFA World Cup for the 5th time in history. Your fans will bring color, style and passion to the greatest FIFA World Cup ever in 2026 in Canada, Mexico and the United States, and we expect that your team will establish more global stars to follow in the footsteps of the famous team that made the quarterfinals of the tournament in South Africa in 2010. But for now, enjoy this special moment, and we cannot wait to see who the Black Stars will face when we have the final tournament draw on the 5th of December. See you all very soon. Well done. Congratulations. Bye.
FIFA Infantino, I say Ghana has officially qualified. Now, Abakwasema and say, yeah, the only African to have qualified 5 times for the World Cup. Ghana, we always first. Eti we no chese yayade, but it's a way to beef up the team. Make us go far in Katiamra Sakwasiana, Yakwa no also Moroni or Sinodo say me ye nyom. What we need is a good goalkeeper and Yameka. Benjamin Sari and when we say you are here, Master Christian Brazil no boy shot 3 goals. Me pa macho. Where there are any sentiments, either we improve him or we go for another keeper who knows the world stage. But all in all, the boys have done well. 25 points out of a possible 30. Omo yade omo ka Africa ba omo ye say Morocco ni yen topic 25 yade do mo kwa dem so obi antimi a shene da. Ghana once again we've shown Nigeria for ntimi akọ ma ntimi akọ da bi adu no ntimi kọ ma bomba se mo kọ kwa Nigeria for omo ye kọ for wo ye enemies omo bomb no. It's my son coming to Jan. I'm bumping change and say Nigeria part the World Cup the mom will be that. They say Ghana every year wait 4 years you ever go be. And come say another question they say Ghana will go to the semi-final. Yes. No better semi-final go no Ishaku. Cho me mouth free bet. Ghana formally we have qualified. A high exposure FM subscribe share to my now second manuals.